Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2019 Ford Escape, and we will change the air filter on this machine, engine air filter. So it's quite simple job. You need 8mm socket, and there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. One screw at the back. You get this cover out. This filter is slightly different than what you would normally see on the vehicles. It's quite dirty. You should replace a filter at least once in 2 years, depending on driving condition. If you drive in a lot of dust, more frequently. This one I think was replaced roughly 2 years ago, and it's not terrible, but getting there. So here is the new filter. I will leave a link in the description to the filter, so you can buy it on Amazon. It will be delivered to your doorstep. So there is a rubber seal. You want it to go on that flange. You want it set down well, otherwise the cover will not close. So now you just place the cover on top. It's actually okay. One more time, I think it's important. There is like a tiny groove just on the edge of this box, and this flange needs to sit in that groove. So when you push this in, you need to pry, like push really hard to the front of the engine so this sits in, and after that the cover will go quite easily on and align with the bolts. Though same thing like on the cover, there is such groove too, so you need to make sure that that groove goes on properly, and if it doesn't, your bolts or your screws will not be perfectly aligned, and in that case, like, it's a first indicator. So if your screws are not aligned, most likely your filter is not seated properly. So this is kind of the hardest part, to make sure that it is in that groove and those screws are aligned. So this one, I was looking, like this one had a little tongue, and that tongue was supposed to go just all the way down. Just quickly compare both. Well, the same, should work. Another try. Just need to make sure that it's fully seated. It seems good. So now on this side, Okay, let's try it without the filter. Okay. Without the filter it sits perfectly. Now I want to see what's causing it. Not too sure. I think I know this side wasn't really in. So you need to make sure that both sides, because sometimes it can get on an angle like it did. Let's try one more time. We are finally done. So it took a while, you can see. Basically the challenge is to, when you have this filter, it needs to get into the groove on the bottom side, and if you have this tongue, I think it goes down. And then when you put the top cover on, this also has to go into that groove. And if one side is misaligned, it will not go in. And then you'll see like the bolts are not aligning and the holes are not aligning, so you need to put pressure and you shouldn't. So basically play with it as long as you need to get this cover nice and tight all the way on, and then just tighten those screws. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, just do it yourself.